Good morning. It is Friday, June 28th, and we are up before the sun has even risen. We're in downtown Queenstown waiting at the Real New Zealand office, where I will be taking a bus out to Milford Sound. So we'll be doing about a 2-hour cruise out there in Milford Sound, get to see the sights and hopefully some waterfalls and snow-capped mountains. But having already done Doubtful Sound, I am very much looking forward to visiting Milford Sound, comparing the two, and seeing what it has to offer. So let's go on an adventure. So fun fact about today is that it is actually a public holiday here in New Zealand. It is Matariki, which is the celebration of Maori New Year. Matariki is the Maori word for Pleiades, or the Seven Sisters, the star constellation in the sky. So this is the time of year when it reappears, and that to them marks the start of the new year. So can't see it out right now on this bright and early morning, but looking forward to the start of a new and beautiful year. It's a Kia. Here he is. Ah! Definitely don't feed the Kia. They like to bite. go up close to that waterfall, like that ship is right there. Oh my god, just getting soaked out here. The seas are a bit rougher out here as Milford Sound reaches the Tasman Sea, which is out right over here. And the Tasman Sea is the second roughest seas in the world, right after Drake's Passage.
What makes this so unique is if you
There are some rolly, rocky seas out here. Oh my goodness. amazing time out in Milford Sound. We've come back all the way back to the Real New Zealand office here in downtown Queenstown. It has been about a 14-hour day, but absolutely worth it to go and see the waterfalls and the sound. Absolutely stunning. I got one more bus ride that'll take me back home, and then it'll be the end of an amazing day.